Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code by following its official documentation. So let's get started. Make sure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code on your system. If you don't have installed it on your system, you can install Visual Studio from Microsoft Store. Open and search for Visual Studio Code, select and click on the install button. It may take a while for installing. After successfully install Visual Studio Code, open and then install Java JDK on your system. Now browse this URL oracle.com and then click on the products and select Java, then click on download Java. Now select the version of JDK that you want to install. I am going to install the latest LTS version of JDK 21. Select JDK version and then select the operating system Windows. Now download the installer or compress archive file. I am going to download the compress archive file. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into downloads folder and then extract this archive file anywhere on your computer. I am going to extract it into the Windows installation drive, local disk C. Extract. Then navigate to the JDK folder and then bin subfolder. Now copy this path and I am going to set the Java home environment variable. So open, edit the system environment variables from control panel. Now I am going to install Java for all users of this system. So go to the system variable section and then click on new to add a new variable. I am going to name it Java underscore home and here enter the variable value. Now click on OK and then select path and then click on edit. Now add the path, so click on new and then write this. Now hit enter, then click on OK. Now verify the installation. So open command prompt and write this command Java version. That's it. Java JDK installed successfully. If you don't want to install JDK separately, the coding pack for Java will install the JDK and essential Java extensions. So download this package. The coding pack can be used as a clean installation or to update or repair an existing development environment. Okay, after a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer. Now accept the terms in the license agreement. The coding pack for Java automatically detects the required components, Java Development Kit and Visual Studio Code. If you don't have installed Java Development Kit and Visual Studio Code, coding pack for Java will install it. Now click on install button to install the Java extensions and configure with Visual Studio Code. It may take a while for installing. That's it. Now click on finish to exit the wizard and check this box to launch Visual Studio Code right now. And verify. Search for Java extension pack. That's it. Now I am going to create a Java program and run on Visual Studio Code. So go back to command prompt and navigate to a directory where you want to store the Java program. I am going to navigate to desktop and then create a folder using this command Java program and then navigate to this folder. Okay, and open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So write this command code space dot, hit enter, trust this author. Okay, now create a source file. I am going to name it hello.java. It may take a while for activating extension and Java. Okay, Java is ready. So write this, hit enter to create a class and also add main method in this class. I am going to print a message. So write message here. Okay. Now notice on the top right corner of the IDE, here you will see a run button. If you don't have the run button on your Visual Studio Code editor, you can install an extension Code Runner. Install this extension. Okay. Now I am going to run this program. Simply click on this run button and see the output in terminal. That's it. Now I am going to show you how to create a Java project in Visual Studio Code. So close this folder and then press Ctrl Shift P at the same time and then write Java clone create Java project and select this. Okay, now select the project type. If you want to create a simple Java application, select the first option. Okay, now select the folder where you want to store the newly created Java project. I am going to create a new folder and name it Java projects and select this project location. Now input a Java project name. I am going to name it Hello World. Hit enter. Now trust the authors. That's it. A Java project has been created successfully. Now expand source and here you will see a source file name app.java. Open this file. Okay. Now I am going to run this project. Click on this icon and then select run Java, or you can select run code option. That's it. I am going to change the message and run again. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.